Good evening, guys. Now, I'm going to show you a video of shifting of cargoes. This is a 7-hull vessel, a Panamax, and we're going to pump out and show you the vessel. This is a Panamax vessel, so he will pump out 200 metric tons here in Afterpeak. After completed pump out here in Afterpeak, he will pump in 200 metric tons in Forepeak tanks. So it is just like shifting the 200 metric tons of ballast water to Forepeak tank. So this is the problem. So this Panamax vessel has a draft forward of 12.18 and an updraft of 12.75 meters. He is going to discharge or pump out 200 metric tons of ballast in the Afterpeak, and after completion of this pump out, he will pump in ballast of the same amount of 200 metric tons to Forepeak tank. So upon completion of this whole operation, we will see how much will be his final draft after the operation. Okay, so forward draft will be 12.18 and 12.75 up. So we put that in our program. 12.18, so forward will be 12.18 and updraft will be 12.75. Okay, so his main draft will be 12.465. This will be the main draft of this initial draft. Now, since we have this initial draft forward and up, it is advised that we should get the actual draft of the midship port and midship starboard. For example, upon reading of the midship port, the reading at port is 12.46, and the starboard mid drop will be also be 12.46, meaning there's no list, so the mid drop will be 12.46. Okay, now once you get this main draft, it is proper, or it is standard operation. Once you get this main draft, you have to get this LCF, MTC, and TPC. Okay, so the LCF of this main draft is 0.30, and the MTC is 964.29 and TPC is 6.93. So we will check 12.465. Got 12 point. 12 3 here 12.465. The LCF is negative 30, 0.30 and MTC is 964.29 and TPC is 6393. Okay, we'll check. LCF is negative 0.30 and MTC is 964.29 and TPC is 63.93. Okay, then we go here. So this is manual, by manual. So this is your forward drop 12.18 and up is 12.75. Your main drop is 12.465 and your trim is 0.57. So you get the same MTC here, 964.29, and LCF is negative 0.30. So from after getting this initial figure of MTC and LCF, you find the distance traveled, the shifted weight. So you get the total distance from LCG of Afterpeak tank and LCG of Forepeak tank. This is in the figure. So from the middle of the Afterpeak tank and the middle of Forepeak tank, this is the distance between Afterpeak tank and Forepeak tank of LCG. Okay, so this is the total distance from Afterpeak tank to Forepeak tank of LCG. Okay, and so you add this one, that will be a total distance of negative 207.45. that will be the total LCG. Okay, after getting this distance traveled, the shifted weight, you have to find the change of trim. Find the change of trim. Okay, the formula for change of trim is the weight times distance it moved over MTC times 100. So the weight here is 200. That is going to be shifted. So the weight is 200. Okay. The weight is 200 multiply by the distance from Afterpeak tank to Forepeak tank is 207.14. So this is 1 over MTC. MTC is 964.29 and times the constant of 100, and the resultant and the answer would be, change of trim would be negative 0.429. That will be the change of trim. So change of trim here, go down, you put there Afterpeak, you discharge 200 metric tons and you pump in Forepeak tank of 199. So just put 199, because if you put 199 you have the right figures, but if you put the exact figures of 200, there's no reading. See, so we just put 199. Okay, so So you pump out 200 metric tons in Afterpeak. After completion of this pump out, then you pump in 199 or 200 metric tons in Forepeak tank. And the change of trim will be this formula, that will be negative 0.429, which is this one. Negative 0.429, okay? Once you've completed this change of trim, you have to find the change of draft forward. CD, change of draft forward. The formula is 1/2 of your LPP plus your LCF over LPP, length between perpendiculars, times your change of trim. So your LPP, length between perpendicular, is 215. 1/2 of this one is 107.5. So that is 1/2 LPP plus your LCF. Your LCF is negative 0.30. LCF is negative 0.30 over your LPP is 215 times your change of trim. Change of trim is negative 0.429. And the resultant, your change of draft forward, will be negative 0.214. So change of draft forward, we'll check. Your change of draft forward, this is the same formula. You have negative 0.214. This one, negative 20.14. So change of draft forward is negative 0.214. Okay. Then once you get your change of draft forward, it is incumbent that you have to get also the change of draft up. The formula for getting the change of draft up, change of draft up will be change of trim, which is this one, minus your change of draft forward, which is this one. So change of trim, which is negative 0.429, which is this one, minus your change of draft forward, which is this one, negative 0.214. So change of draft up will be negative 0.215. Okay, we'll double check. Change of draft up will be negative 0.215. Okay, so the formula is this one minus your forward, change of draft forward, then you will have this one. Okay, so change of trim minus your change of draft forward is your change of draft up. Okay, then you apply the change of draft forward and change of draft up to the initial draft forward and up. So your initial draft forward is 12.18 and your initial draft up is 12.75. Apply the change of draft forward, which is this one, that is negative 0.14, and your change of draft up is this one, is negative 0.215. Now take note, since you are putting 200 metric tons here at the Forepeak tank, meaning when you put 200 metric tons here in the Forepeak, meaning you're going to sink because you're putting load here. So this part of this vessel will sink, meaning you will have more drop. So this means you add So 12.18 plus 0.214 is 12.398. Okay. On the up part, because you take out ballast from the Afterpeak, so this portion will rise up. So this will rise up, meaning if you rise up, your draft will reduce or lessen. So when we have no more ballast here in Afterpeak, so this part of the vessel or the stern of the vessel will rise up, meaning your drop will be lessened or less. So with this idea or in your mind, so 12.5 should be minus. So 12.75 minus 0.215 is 12.535, and we'll check the graph. So 12.18 plus 2.14 is 12.39, and your drop 12.75 minus 0.215 is 12.53. Okay, it's the same. Check. So 12.39 and 12.53. Okay. $12.53, and your trim will be 0.14, and your main is forward plus updraft divided by 2 is your main drop, which is 12.464. Okay, now I will explain this one. Your midship drop. So midship would be this one, actual midship. So actual midship will be 12.46. Okay, 12.46. Since this is your final mid, this will put it here. This will be your final mid. Okay, and your main drop, which is this one, place it here. Then you will have a zero deflection. So the purpose of this figure here is to know what is your deflection. So it is very important that you have to get an actual reading of your mid port and your mid starboard, so you will have an actual mid draft here. Now, why I will explain to you the figure, because you have a main drop of 12.6. We have a main drop of 12.465. You have a main drop of 12.465, meaning to say, if you take out 200 here, you put another 200 here, take out, meaning pump out 200 metric tons here, and you pump in 200 metric tons here, so the main drop will not change, or the mid drop will not change. It will be 12.465. Okay, so that is the reason why you have this mid drop here of 4.60, and you have a zero deflection. Okay, so that's it, guys. I hope you will like this video. If you like, please click the like button, share, and subscribe. And thank you very much. we will see the other diagram here. Okay, that's it guys, and take care.